Okay, so I know somebody's gonna say you should have put this on your lawnmower repair channel, but this is really more about off-grid and running a business off of off-grid homestead type of thing. So you may hear that I got the two Champion generators running off propane. It's hooked up to the Paralink. I guess I can walk down and show you. I was going to show you after I got finished so we could shut it down, but so anyway, I start them up and I plug the well and the pressure washer into the generators, into the Paralink. So there's one generator, it's plugged into this Paralink. This generator's plugged into it. And then the pigtail, that's the well, that's the pressure washer. And the generators can handle both of those at the same time. So we'll go ahead and get started. Only concern is I might be a little low on the well right this minute because we did laundry. So I've been running it to fill that up every time. But it's been a few minutes. I mean, it takes, you know, a half hour or so to fill the well back up. But so I'll show you what I do here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the well on, and this will spit out water because all the water is down 70 feet because I have a hole down there that drains all the water. So this pipe never has water in it to freeze. So when the water spits out, I'll throttle this down, but I'm going to let the water continue to spit out. Then I'll turn this on, that's to the pressure washer. And the reason I'm doing this is that way, not only do I have the water shoot, or the hole shooting out water, I have this shooting out some water. That way if I accidentally shut off the pressure washer with my hand, I still got water going through the pump so it won't burn up. didn't take as long as I thought it would. We're at 13 minutes on the video, and I'm not sure the camera's pointing the whole time. So this might be a short video. So I need to go shut off that well, and then I'm gonna let it recharge, and then I'm gonna wash the beast, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. I just kind of knocked the dirt off the beast. It doesn't really get dirty too bad because I don't mow with it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the well fill back up with water, and that way I don't run out of water while I'm washing the beast. So I'll give it 15 minutes, but I'll let the generators continue to run. That way I'm not, you know, stressing the oil out on it. I'm not sure this camera was pointed at the lawnmower the entire time. It kind of has me concerned that I was pointing away at one point. It's hard to get a lawnmower clean just with the pressure washer. You know, you really need to take off the guards and all that. And I notice my deck is starting to rust a little bit, so I'm going to get some paint and I'll touch that up just so it doesn't continue to rust away. Those John Deere yellow was pretty notorious for that rust, but that's okay. They sell that paint at Walmart. It's pretty cheap. I had some not long ago, so of course I use it on customer stuff also. So I guess I'll jump off of here. So if you'll click this up next box to take the video over to my other channel, I really appreciate it. Go check it out. So I hope that I can inspire you. Keep your equipment clean so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.